Hello everyone, today we're making a tutorial on how you can change an AC compressor on a 2005 Saab 9.5. One of the things you may want to do is remove the wheel just so you can have more space. Sometimes the underguard it's attached near the wheel and you have to take it all off, okay? But you don't need it to take the AC compressor out. Here's the old one. We got a nut right here and there will be another one right there and another one on the top. All right, this is the top of the motor. So far we have removed the motor mount, and this one has a 16 and an 18 socket, and also this piece that connects right here, and we're gonna need to remove this. Just gonna pry it right out. These two, this as well. This is removed from underneath, and we're gonna need to remove this as well. And the power steering, there's fluid that's gonna come out when you open this, so be careful. And the belt as well. The AC compressor will come out from underneath the car on the passenger side. Also, I did unplug this, which is part of the turbo. And you don't have to take out the water hoses. I've seen videos where they tell you to take out the water hoses. You don't have to do that. Okay, so you just need space to get right underneath there. See that? And to take one nut that's gonna be somewhere in there. Okay, that's it. That's the only reason you need this space for. You don't need to take out the radiator or anything like that. The piece is gonna come out from underneath. Just make sure you unhook this thing right here, okay? Pry it out with a flat screwdriver. Okay, so this is underneath where the old piece is gonna come out. You're just gonna pull it out this way, okay? That's it.